What's on, guys? It's Saturday, it's tutorial time, and today I'm going to be teaching you blunt fakies. If you want to master this move, you want to make sure you've already got the hang of ollies. If you haven't, go and watch Harry's how-to ollie video, and as well as that, you want to be pretty comfortable doing rock to fakies on ramps. So blunt fakies are 75% confidence and 25% skill, which means it's all in your head, it's all about commitment. Still, we'd recommend you learn it on a smaller ramp like this one first before taking it to the bigger ramps. So the 4 steps that I'm going to be covering in this tutorial are the approach, stalling, popping and landing. So the approach for this one is super important. You want to get your speed right. You don't want to go so fast that you fly out of the top and disappear into the sky, but you also don't want to go so slow that you don't make it up to the coping. Another thing you want to think about, you want to go nice and straight for this one. You don't want to come in at an angle because you'll slide across the coping. You come up nice and straight, then it will set you up to be able to come back into the ramp nice and straight, which is what you want. For the stall, you want your board to look something like this. You don't want to put too much weight on that front foot, causing it to drop down, because it will make it really hard to get from there all the way back in. If you're straight up, then you just have a little pop, and that should be enough to get you back into the ramp. So, popping in. This is where it's going to start to get scary. This is where that commitment comes into play. It's all about just doing a nice gentle ollie fakie to get those trucks back over the coping and into the ramp. The key to it is do it quickly. Don't ride up the ramp, stall, hesitate for a few seconds thinking about it. You need to be riding up, stalling and back in straight away. Use that momentum. So if you ride up and your weight is still in the ramp, you'll find that it's much easier to do it quickly and ride away, nice and chilling. Landing, the first one you ever do is probably going to be quite scary, because you'll find that as you come in, you pick up speed very quickly. But this is where those ollie fakies come into play. If you practice by popping loads of ollies, getting used to the ramp that you want to try the blunt on, then it will make it a lot more natural when you commit to that first one, land back in the ramp and just relax and ride away. The one thing you really want to watch out for on this one is that as you pop, these front trucks don't hang up like they did on the back disaster with Harry. If you hang up, it's going to be a very painful slam, because you're going to fall backwards all the way down to the bottom. So to avoid this happening, make sure you lean back, keep your weight in the ramp, and you'll find that as you ollie away from the coping, whereas if you're leaning forward, that's when you're going to get stuck. So that's it for blunt fakies. I hope this tutorial helped. Let us know in the comments below if it did. We'd love to hear about your efforts to learn them. Be sure to click subscribe, hit the bell for notifications for next week's tutorial, and head to www.tr7skate.co.uk to check out the gear. Check in with us next Saturday, people!